Hi there. In this video, we'll take a look at multiplying two complex numbers. We're going to focus on using the distributive property here. So I'm going to take the 2 and distribute it to both terms in the second parentheses. So 2 times 3 would give me 6, and 2 times 5i will give me 10i. Let's do the same with the 5i, but I've got to be sure that I distribute negative 5i. So negative 5i times 3 would be negative 15i. And negative 5i times 5i will be negative 25i to the second. Now you'll remember that I equals the square root of negative 1. So I squared will be negative 1 because if you square the square root, you're going to get what's inside. So I'm going to make that substitution here that I squared is negative 1. And I'll multiply 6 plus 10i minus 15i. Now, negative 25 times negative 1 will give me positive 25. And now let's just combine those like terms. So 6 plus 25 will give me 31. And 10i plus negative 15i will give me negative 5i. I hope this helps.